Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix microphone not working in Google Meet. So the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and make sure that your device is specifically working. So to do that, you just want to head over to your sound settings, and inside you then want to choose your microphone as an input. So in my case, I'm using voice meter right here, and I can test the audio by navigating through this specific slider. And so if I speak, I can then go ahead and confirm that the microphone is working. From there, you then want to head over to a Google meeting. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and create my own right here. And right after that, you just want to adjust your microphone settings. To do that, just head over to the audio setting right here. And inside, you want to make sure to select the right audio that you have on your specific device. In my case, I'm using the system default, which is the voice meter. And you could also be using another microphone like this specific microphone right here. But that's everything you have to do to make this work. And you also have to make sure that you have unmuted yourself. So if you see the red microphone icon, it means that the microphone is disabled for your Google Meet. Now to speak, just click it, and from there you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.